Morning guys, Bo, Northeast Truck Wrecking. Today, we've got ourselves a Mitsubishi Canter Fuso 2015 built with a 4P10A engine. As you can see, it's got a bit of damage on the left hand side, but it hasn't affected the way the engine runs or anything like that. On the driver's side, good headlight, wrong light, good right hand door, good right hand mirror. Inside, power windows, roughly 350,000 Ks, factory unit, fridge controls with the AMT. Seats don't look too bad at all, could do with a bit of a wash. On the back we have a Genie body refrigerated pan, the factory 100 litre fuel tank, the 5-stud 16-inch wheels. Pan's not in too bad a condition, definitely needs a good wash. On this side, as you can see, sustained a little bit of damage at the bottom, but nothing too bad. Alright guys, this is our 2015 Mitsubishi Fuso Canter. Don't forget to like, follow and subscribe to our channel. Thanks.